In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage Slack notifications in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Slack or looking to fine-tune your alert settings, these steps will help you stay in control of your notifications. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Slack website. If you're unfamiliar, Slack is a fantastic tool for team communication and productivity management. Once on the website, you'll see an option to sign in. Here, I recommend using the Sign In with Google button. This option is super convenient as it automatically logs you in with your existing Google account details, streamlining the process considerably. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your Slack dashboard, the home base for your communication needs. This dashboard is where all your workspaces and channels are easily accessible. Now locate and click on your profile icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of the screen and should have your picture or initials if you've customized it. Upon clicking your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you're going to want to click on the Preferences option. This will open up a new window filled with settings you can customize to make Slack work best for you. In the Preferences window, look for the Notifications tab. This is the hub for all your notification settings. Clicking on it will bring up a range of different options to tailor your Slack experience. One of the first and most essential options to consider is Notify Me About. Slack provides a number of choices here, allowing you to set notifications for messages in direct, group, or all channels. From the given options, go ahead and select All New Messages. This is a great choice for those who need to stay on top of everything happening in their Slack environment. You'll receive alerts for every new message, ensuring you never miss a beat. These settings will ensure you're always in the loop while also providing room for flexibility based on your specific needs. Should you want to change your settings later, simply revisit your preferences and adjust them as needed. Managing your Slack notifications is an effective way to stay organized and efficient, so take some time to explore these settings and find what works best for you. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to mastering your Slack notifications. Stick around for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your productivity tools. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.